guys, my name is Callista and today we're going to make a volcano. And the recipes are down in the description below. And we already put the stuff, doing the boring stuff with salt dough. So, oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe.
All right.
So,
now what are we going to do? So what ingredients do we need?
So we need a funnel, red, food coloring.
What are those things?
This
Liquid detergent.
liquid detergent, vinegar,
Yeah.
and what is this? Baking soda. So here's what we do. We put the funnel on.
So the first thing, we pour in water.
So
we used a 500 milliliter bottle, so we're only using about 200 milliliters of water.
So we're going to pour this in, all of it? We're going to pour all of it in.
Well, the recipe called for a 2-liter bottle, but there wasn't quite enough salt dough to cover it.
And also, we had to make one because we couldn't find it.
That's right.
So now what do I do?
So now you add the detergent.
This?
Yeah, we've already measured it out.
So all of it?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon.
Let's put it in.
Okay, and then you can put in a couple drops of food coloring. You don't need to use the funnel if you don't want.
I don't want to use it?
You don't have to.
Yeah.
Okay, so a few drops.
I'm going to use 3 drops. 1, 2, 3.
And you think that's going to be red enough?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then what?
And then you add your, probably. Add your baking soda. So we already measured it out, but it's 2 tablespoons.
That one?
Yeah, you just pour it in.
All of it?
Yep.
So using all of it, I guess. Get in. There we go. And now
Mix it all in. So the next thing we're going to do is we need to slowly, do you think you can pour it in without the funnel? Slowly pour in our vinegar. Pour it all in. Oh, keep going. It's already exploding.
Pink.
Yeah. All right. It exploded.
Oh my gosh. It's almost reaching to our table.
Yeah. Think we should stop?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay, that was a lot.
What did you think?
That was cool. Huh?
I challenge you.
I challenge you to make your own volcano. Bye, guys.